Hello everyone to my second live stream. I am building a charting software for my algo trading framework. And in the last stream 2 days ago, we tried to request some indicators, or one indicator, the simple moving average. And let me see. Now you can see the whole window. The simple moving average, and we had some obstacles. We had the problem that we couldn't get the time stamps for the indicator values. And we are going to fix this now. And hopefully today at the end of the stream can paint a simple moving average on the chart. So let me see, where did we finish last time? Let's just open compose. Open the logs. Okay. Logs. So we were in the back end, in the back tester, and we requested get indicator, and here we get the indicator info and put the parameters in this variable, and put it here, log it, get the data for the chart we want to draw the indicator, and then you get an instance and run the indicator. And now we want to see. We had the problem with the non-values, and we didn't have the timestamps in there. So I already searched for solving the problem. So we need to go in here, simple moving average calculation, and we need to, are we doing this in here? Let's see. And just reset this out. This function. run the indicator, and then we do indicator data dot in a new variable indicator reset. That's equal to indicator data dot reset index. And then we need get the timestamps as a column with that. And indicator reset, then we need to transform it, I guess. It's indicator reset. Of timestamp. That's indicator reset. Timestamp .dt .string ftime. Just copy this. This. And then with this, put it in a dictionary with this option records or into records. We already did this here. So let's copy this variable. And I guess the info will stay the same. Already tried it. Docker compose. Let's go down. And up again. Dash build. And let's see what happens. Still the none values. No WebSocket. Thought we fixed this. It's JSON. Dump as allow. Okay, we need to do this also, which will go in the send method from what are we doing here? This ticket. You can just add it here, right? It's for every ticket, but this should be fine. And again. Still the same error. Printing it before that. Don't. Response. Really large message again, but it should be. None, I guess, and not NaN. Should be, yeah, none, not NaN. It's here also NaN. Let's see. Let's copy the arrow. Okay. Could do this, or we could just drop the none values. P.not null equals none. Let's see. Here. Or we could also put it inside the SMA calculation. Okay, let's try this. Save this and restart. Okay. This looks not too bad. We just still the n values, but it's not in the log anymore. Hello, Bulu FX, welcome back. Nice to see you again. And Tenu. I think I will need the luck with the code. Couldn't figure it out 2 days ago. Still get this. Let's just try it with the drop in A. I think there's a pandas. Drop in A. That is removed. Not sure if we need to define the axis. Let's try it with pandas drop in A. drop an A without any inputs. Then let's do it on a general indicator, I think. Here. And let's do dot drop an A here. No error. Data. Indicator data. Looks good. Okay. We have the data for the SMA on the front end. Get the indicator info. And now we need to figure out how to draw these indicators with lightweight charts. Documentation. These are called series. It's not a marker. Like line series, right? Line. And series option at line series. Creates a line series with specified parameters. We are in the front end. Where do we get this message? It's in the indicator search, right? Indicator search. We get the apply indicator and the message. Oh no, it's the list indicator. Catch these. Do we catch these? We would need to catch them on the chart page. And there it is already logged in line 224. Here, handle message. So we need some function that is let's do if message dot what's this, type is equal to indicator info. Let's call it indicator info. Maybe we separate the info message from the actual data of the indicator. This makes sense. What do we want to do with the indicator info? Like to like add a button can be clicked to change the settings of the indicator. This is the info. Yeah, maybe it makes sense to separate it. Not sure. Yeah, we can separate it later, maybe. Let's just use this info. We get the info with the data. Something like this. This will be an add indicator function. Which needs no, it needs the info, needs all the information, I guess. So indicator info and indicator data. this.add indicator. It's message. Message.data indicator underscore info and message.data indicator underscore data indicator. So on chart page we have this chart chart object, chart lightweight chart. We have we are not on the lightweight chart, in the lightweight chart component. So maybe we should listen inside this component. Yeah, I think it makes more sense to listen to the event on the lightweight chart component, because we need this chart object where we can add the line series. So in mounted, just copy this. We need this maybe. Yeah, just copy it and not cut it. Lightweight charts. In mounted, we do listen on messages, also handle message. That's alright. And this handle message, and that copy. This won't be here. This might be deleted. Maybe we listen to the info at button for settings, the indicator here. So yeah, just let's comment this out. And then we go here, handle message. And get this function. Handle message, indicator info, like this. Refresh this. Multiple logs now here. Let's clean this a bit up. Chart page 224. Chart page 224. Don't want this log anymore. Lightweight chart is fine. App 42. We don't want to log here. Keep it clean. So So indicator with the answer. In lightweight charts with data. And yeah, indicator data. Chart. Okay. How did we add bars, series bars in a logical range? Series and data. Hit chart series constructor. Name type. Now we have here. Already have a function for that probably. Series constructor. Series options. Where do I put the indicator info or indicator data? This creates a new series. Maybe we find an example. Add line series is the function. Chart.add line series turns series. Let's look for add line series. If it's getting started. That's also just price, options, create chart, add series, line series, data. Line series set data. Maybe like this. We need to create a new series. Const line series equal to we have get chart series construct name. It's add line series. We have serious name constant, which is this dot get chart series constructor name from we have the indicator info dot data dot type data dot type like this, and then we can do a line series with this. This dot chart. This dot chart of series constructor. This is just a name, right? Just a string. Chart function with the series options. Okay, let's see the series name. Call a function with some options. What are the options? Or can we just use the default for all? Yeah, let's try the default. We have some how we can do we will need to rename it. Let's just don't use any options. Maybe this works. Then we need the data. That's const data equals to indicator data. Indicator data. Array, but the data looks we have time frames in our timestamp, but we need to change this. So we have this is an array. Are we changing this directly in the back end? Not sure. Would need like map it with X, and then turn like an object with the value that is X dot it's euro USD. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, I guess I need to rename the key of that. So that will be also value. And then we need to do it's called time here x dot timestamp. But we need to turn it. What are they called? Maybe I've done this before for the candlesticks. Series of data. Maybe in the chart page. Symbol. Candles. That's the candles. Ah, here. Date. Pass. Like this, I guess. And where are we? Indicator x dot timestamp divided by 1000. So we need to change this. This is not called a value currently. Currently the symbol name. So either we rename it to value or we pass we need to pass the symbol name. I think I don't want to do this. So let's see. In the SMA we have the run function, and this one calls this automatically uses the column name of the symbol. Either change this here or change it in the main, then it's for every symbol, every indicator call, the same parameters. What did we do here? We're gonna reset it. I rename column. How do I rename the column? It's currently the name of the input data. Symbol. But I want it to be value. Rename always Euro USD. That's not how I would like to do it. Can we do it already in the SMA calculation? And maybe create a new data frame for that. If needed. This is the SMA. The SMA. The SMA calculation. It's like this. SMA, that's the one from before, and now we just do a new data frame. Like this. So we can just paste it here. Like this, and then we need to return the result, not the SMA. So this would we rename it to value. Here everything keeps the same. Let's restart. And in the lightweight charts, we now when we add an indicator, we get the series name, we have the series, and then we have x.value. This could work. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. We have indicator, we add the indicator, and we get an error. Drop an A. is this the case? It's not one-dimensional. Because knows a single value data. Data could be a multi-index data frame. That's why we probably get a multi-index data frame. And then we call it we create it with data. Also create a function. Sim ID is the number, the ID. Could create a function that gives us the normal data frame, not a multi-index data frame. This is my get data function. It gives data frame. I think this might be the reason for the error. Do we want to create another function that only requests a single symbol? This might be useful for the indicators. Or do we reduce the multi-index data frame? But this reduction needs to be independent of the symbol we are requesting. Yeah. Give me a function that requests just a single symbol, and he uses I don't know, normal data frame. So to adapt the data. Data space db. Get candles and get candles single symbol. Visualize database. Fetch the symbol. Get symbol. This. Now call the get candle single symbol, and it's not with a list, it's with a symbol. So this gives us data and get indicator instance. Indicator instance and run the instance like so. And maybe we can now do this. Let's see. Okay, compose. Indicator, simple moving average, error. Cannot insert timestamp. Already exists. Which line? Where is it? Which line is it? Main 83. And main 50 on message. The indicator data reset. Main 50. Cannot reset it because not insert timestamp already exists. No, it is this. This. So because we don't have a multi-index data frame now, we have access to the timestamp directly without requesting it, maybe. And so reset index doesn't work. Let's see. Indicator. Okay. Now have the error on the front end side. So not the error, an error. So this means we get the data, indicator data, and we have a timestamp and a value. That's what we wanted to achieve. Key needs to be value, so we don't have to rename it for every element. So what's the error here? Fail to pass message. Lightweight chart 177. Lightweight chart 177. It's on handle message. But we already print the message. 177. Parse it. Not read properties of undefined reading char at. We can throw an error, but still 111. The handle message function, the error 114 at indicator, and then indicator, line 17. It's line 17. Like this. Yeah, there's chart it. Properties of undefined. So type is undefined. This dot type. Where is it? So indicator info data dot type is undefined. This shouldn't be undefined. Why is it? Indicator info. Would be indicator info data dot SMA. But it's not an SMA always. But let's try if we do this data dot SMA. Save it and reload. Indicator. So we don't get the error anymore. But this needs to be more general. don't get an error anymore. And we have the line series and we have the data. Let's look at the data. So the data is value and time. This should be the way we want it. It's like data. Oh, data, it's value and time. Value and time. So then we do line series set data with the data. We do line series set data with data. Let's not look at this anymore. And reload this. Okay. Don't get an error. We also don't see any lines on the chart. Oh, we see lines on the chart. Just need to zoom out. Okay. But it looks not correct because maybe the first 20 also. Oh, that's more than 20, right? More than 20 lines, data points. That's also pretty much looks like the close price just shifted. Oh. Doesn't look like an SMA. What happens here? Value of the SMA. It should be maybe at the current value. Let's have a look at the 1 day chart. We only have a few candles. Indicator, simple, average. Okay, here we have, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Should be in range with the default value of 10. Okay. So we get, it's not shifted. But why do we don't have any values for, oh, it's just the current one here. On a smaller time frame we have takes pretty long to load. At least for the 1 minute chart. Probably because it's calculated for all of them. Here are missing values. Also doesn't look like an SMA 10 or it looks shifted. How do we figure this out? What's the problem here? What do we do with the candlestick data? We add series and data, then series, the series dot set data size. Have this logical range change. We don't load all the candlestick data at once. This series. At indicator. Can have a look at the, we filter this, at the time value. just the most recent ones. Can I filter this in JavaScript? How can I filter the last 10 values of an array in JavaScript? Slice. So data and do console log and data dot slice -10. We also want to do this. This is the indicator. Also want to do this for the candlestick data. It's called this.data. Candlestick data. Yeah, okay. This.data, and it's the hello close. And load. Reload. So oh, it's not the current window. Why isn't it updating? Push again. No. No, it's the current one. So it's empty. Why is it empty? Slice the last 10 data. What happens if I edit? We have the indicator. Here we have some time values like this. This is 5, 6, 7. So this is the last value. Okay, what's the last value of the open high-low close? Now it prints something. Can't look at it. Yeah. Open high-low close. The last value is at the bottom. 17, 15, 3. Okay, here's a. So it's not shifted. So these values are just missing somehow. Um, where are they missing? Okay. Hmm. Let's have a look at main, the backtester. There we have data. Okay. Indicator data. Let's do logging.info indicator data. Now let's see. Do refresh. And add the indicator. And the last value is on the bottom 2045. It's also the last value in, let's freeze again. Also the last value here. So in theory, it has the SMA values for this. But why is it not drawn on the chart? Like if I scroll out, it gets loaded, and then it draws. Why? Is it not? Mm. Hmm. Hmm. See. That this that the visible logical range change on this dot series works like, okay, we have here another series. This is a different series that is on the same chart object is provided probably here. No, it's just with the chart container. Happens if I resize it? Nothing. Hit bony clients rectangle. Let's see, maybe if he finds something in the documentation. So it's like multiple series on one chart, right? Is there an example for that? The line series, price scale, multiple series, compare multiple series. Chart options, create a chart, and add the line series. Yeah, create it. Then line series 1 data. That's yeah, we also do this. And then set data. Line series, set data. And chart.timescale.fit content. We don't do this, but content timescale. Don't think that's the problem. Let's see. See what it does. Add indicator line series. It's this chart. Oh, I can't see it. It's this dot chart time. Don't know what this does. Reload. There's still something pretty wrong here. So the reload takes 20 seconds. This shouldn't be normal. Edit. Yeah, this does nothing. It fits the chart more in the view. It's the fit content. Why are the last values missing? So don't need this. Here we just do const line series, and here we do is it add chart, add series and data. The series sets data. Would like to also slice the indicator, so we don't load the whole indicator at once. Only load the indicator in the which is seen in the chart. But how can we adapt this? Series, bars, and logical range. Series is not the same, right? It's another series. This is a series for the data. When is this called, this function? On visible range change. It is added to chart in the mounted. This chart time scale and this. Scrub visible range change. So maybe it's load, but we need to loaded bars is 5,000. Slice bars also just in the invisible logical range state. What's the problem? Let's see if ChatGPT has any answer to that. Here. So this is my current version. Of the lightweight chart component. It adds the indicator, but misses some of the most recent indicator, or say it doesn't draw it. It's but doesn't draw the most recent indicator series. Also, I would like to add the lazy loading to the indicator. Missing recent indicator data. The issue of the indicator series not drawing recent data could be due to mismatch in the data timestamp. I think we checked this. Or incorrect handling of the indicator data. Ensure the indicator data is sorted by timestamp and formatted correctly. Get the indicator. Okay, so sorted. I think this is the same. And it's just the sort, which is new. I mean, we can try it, but I don't think that's the problem. So yeah, let's check this first. Let's see. The add indicator. Oops. Add indicator with a sort. So refresh. Okay. Takes again 20 seconds or so to refresh. It is an open. No, I don't know why it's loading so long. Add indicator. This didn't change the outcome. Let's try at least the lazy loading. So implementing lazy loading for indicators. Check for indicator data. So this function already exists. Parse info. And then indicator series. Where is it? This on visible range. Let's see. Unvisible logical range changed. The series bars. Okay, this is for the bars, and then also for the indicator bars info. This indicator series. Okay, what is this? other than just for one series. Yeah, but let's try it. And also a new method, implement a method to fetch and append additional indicator data dynamically. It's a new method. Put it below slice data. Let's see. Okay. Wait, what does it? Doesn't emit. It's doing an emit and then don't know how this could work. The other. You set data cautiously. Mm. Did it mounted hook? Updated mounted hook. What's updated? Data. Not. Somehow remove the this. Did it remove this function? Why? Example of fetch indicator data event. If the parent component listen to the fetch indicator data event, it provides additional data. But I already have this data. Mm, modified indicator. Okay, let's undo this. This and indicator. That's this new one here. Indicator. So we now loaded indicator data is now sliced by the full indicator length. That's the length of the array minus the loaded bars. And the loaded bars is property we set on loading. Okay. We do the same with bars. That's the same with slice bars, yes. Start and slice data. Data. Okay, let's see. This map. I mean, doesn't try to sort it. Lazy loading, more indicator data. Yeah, that's new lazy loading on visible logical range change. This one. Okay. And add load more indicator data method. That it already exists. No, deleted it. Like this. Initialization when adding the indicator initially, or add indicator with the full data set. The method will take care of showing only the most recent values. Add indicator. This one. Yeah, okay. Optimization. If you have a large data set and want to ensure smooth performance, use set data sparingly. Okay. Only call it when you actually add new data, deduplicate the data. There is overlap. Deduplicate the data if load more indicator data. And load more indicator data if there is low overlap. Okay. Let's see. How fast is a refresh? Refresh. Oh. Now we get an error. Bars logical undefined. Cannot read properties of undefined reading bars in the logical range. In line 115. 115 bars in logical range. This should indicate a series. And that's not defined. Add indicator. Okay. We need to do this as null. And if this dot indicator series is equal null, we immediately return. Yeah, we still need to change somehow indicator series. This is not general enough. We want to add more than one indicator. But let's see if this works. So it loads. And add indicator. Okay. We scroll back. That's the error of yeah, loading additional price data and loading additional indicator data. Okay. But it doesn't show the indicator data. Interesting. Indicator, simple moving average. Now it's loaded. Oh. Okay. Is there missing data? Or if the open high low close data exists, it should also could calculate the SMA. Missing data doesn't make sense. Let's first remove this crosshair movement. This causes the error always, I guess. Right. No, it's not. Why is the data now incomplete? Okay. See if this was also a problem before we add this. That's just the loading. So we also need to do it like this. You don't need this. So indicator, add indicator. Okay. Load additional price. Why is it now crashing? Load more indicator. Do we call this function? No, it's commented out. So this should be pretty much the same as before. Now we are crashing. Not even reload the page. This indicator again. Edit. Okay, loading additional price data and it crashes. Okay, where's this bug now? Loading additional price data. Loaded bars, slice bars. This is exactly the same as before. There was a comment. This is lightweight chart. So the change we did, one visible range change, that's the same. That indicator is new, but this worked before. And full indicator data, indicator series. I don't know if these values, they are not defined on, the series is defined, but full indicator data is not. Might this be the reason? Can't reload again. And it freezes. Okay. Hmm. Does it freeze if we don't hit the indicator? No, it does not. Okay. So lightweight chart. There's no difference. That indicator. Put in here. Chart time scale. Size. has this defined? This dot on visible logical range change. Load more indicator data, but this is never called. I don't get it. Loaded bars. Net indicator. Get chart series constructor. This is the series name. Like this. Get info. Okay, this is new. Didn't do this, but okay. Indicator data. We map x to dot value and time. Time converted to seconds. And then we need series dot set data like this. Row out, back, and crash. Oh man. Come on. Let's just undo everything. I think here it worked. This was my version. Local host. Indicator, indicator. And okay, we have this again. Scroll back. Scroll back. Oh no, it doesn't work. Didn't work before. Okay. Hmm. 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 Um, come on. What's this? The time frame, the time calculation for the data. Chart page. also divided by 1000. Date.parse. So if we do like divided by 100, this would be wrong probably. The indicator, and we get this. So this is more into the past, 2013. Curious what happens if we scroll back here. Here we see all the indicator values. No missing values, and it doesn't crash. So we have in vision the candlestick data and the indicator data, both line series. Then it crashes. Okay. This example, they do it exactly the same. I mean, I'm loading the candlestick data before this new series. They are loading it at the same time, but yeah. Could just try it with less data. Mm. 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 We have another example. Moving average example. They do generate candle data 500. Calculate a moving average, MA data, chart. We do this chart, and then they add a line series, set data, MA series, MA data, and then they do candlestick series. This make a difference? At first the line series, and then the candlesticks. I don't think so. And candlestick series dot set data. Oh wait, what? Candle series set data bar data. Candlestick series is it's the bar data. It's the data from okay. So they first generate the bar data, calculate the indicator, then add the indicator, to the chart, then add the candlesticks to the chart. I don't think that's a difference if I add the candlesticks first. Candlestick series. This candlestick series at my must be candlestick series. I think it's like type like this. It's this dot type. Default is line, but lightweight chart page. Should be sim candlestick. Um, So this will work. They have 500 candles. First few values are missing. Yeah, maybe we need to try it with less data, and maybe then we see the problem. So how do we filter this now? We are requesting on the chart page. Request candles. And then we could just do data map and then just do dot slice for the last 500. Okay. So now we have only 500 bars. Maybe just do 100 even. It always tries to reload more data now. Let's turn this off. It's this one. Turn this off. Reload. So 100 bars. And now at an indicator, we will get the whole indicator data. So let's also do this dot slice 100. And at the indicator, and it's shifted. We have 1854. It's the wrong time frame. It's wrong. time zone. Why is it a different time zone? Times. Okay. Yeah, it's 2 hours. Candlestick data is 2 hours ahead. So yeah, this should be the reason. It's a different time zone. The question is why. I mean, we are doing something like this. Is converting a time zone. We are calculating the indicator based on our data from the database. So this should be the same time zone. Yeah, I don't know why it shouldn't. So maybe you can see this also. It's yeah, it's here 2054. This is the indicator data. So is it before we did this or after? Before we do the log. Let's see. Have a look here. Data indicator data. I need to restart. So if we request this indicator, okay, it's still the same time here. So it's the problem from the lightweight chart library. I mean, we're getting this data, lightweight chart. We're getting this data. I mean, I can print it again here. Ah, that's already transformed. Oh, but we do the same transformation. Same transformation with the candlestick data. Let's log console.log the indicator data. So this should already also be 20. Okay, it's can we slice it before? Let's do indicator data dot slice minus 100. Look like this, and now the last, yeah, still 2055, 54. Still, why is it shifted? Must be this, but we also do this calculation with candlesticks. Time, date, parse. Let's have a look here. Will be also that's already transformed. Let's see. Let's have data. Stop the music again. Data like this, and yeah, let's do this console log of data. Refresh the console, and this is say 7240. 74440. So this same function is doing something different. That's so confusing. So for the candlestick data and the indicator data, but the indicator time stamp is the indicator result is 2 hours behind. Why? The issue likely stem from the fact that interprets times of string context of a local time zone. nothing. Time pass. Okay, can we pass a time zone? Force UTC parsing. Timestamp plus Z. Dot get time. Force UTC parsing. Okay. Let's see. If we do this at both, this is the indicator, and also do this at the candles. Then we get an error. Okay, it's all NaN. So this does not work. It's not date.parse, it's new date. No, it's also date.parse. Let's try it with new date. Let's do new date of candle.timestamp. Plus the, and then dot get time. And divided by 1000. Let UTC equals and UTC and immediate value get time is not a function. Intermediate value. Console.log candle.time stamp. It looks like this. What's the problem? Check for time zone offset. Let's try it without this one. Okay. Also has the Z in it. This timestamp. Okay. Log Mm. So this works. Date.parse. This is also the correct value for. Oh, oh, this is also the correct value for candles. It's data transfer. Wait, is that all? Whole time data transfer should be new date. New date. This. Nope. So this also works. Or we had date.get. No. We had date.parse. Now we do date, new date. No, what's the difference? Let's see if we do the same for the indicator. Oops. Same for this indicator. You refresh at the indicator. We get an error. Candle is not. Oh, was candle is not defined. It's x.timestamp. Load indicator, and it's still the same. Yeah, I don't know. Why is it another time frame? Another time zone. Hmm. Like exactly behind the next bar. What happens if we slice it? Not by 100, so we don't have a look at the first 100 bars. But we have a look at the first 103 bars. Also for the indicator. Indicator slice 103. to reload. And at the indicator. And it's again exactly it's exactly behind the last loaded bar. And now I see it. So it's always behind the last loaded candle. But time is 18:54. So the time changes here, even though the candle says it's 1912. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. So it's not the timestamp, I guess. Um, but I mean, the timestamp should be also. If we have a look at the last 10 bars. It still does this 18:54. I don't get it. Hmm. I think I'm done for today. Yeah, have to figure this out tomorrow, probably. Thank you everyone for joining the stream. Yeah, I don't know if I'm streaming again tomorrow. If I try to figure this out by myself. Yeah. I wish everyone a great evening and see you next time.